Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food, Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare chicken spicy curry. Ingredients needed for this chicken curry are chicken pieces clean and turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, chopped onions, red chili powder, garam masala and fresh coriander leaves and coriander powder also. Heat the oil in pan, add black cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste and mix well. Stir in the garlic, ginger and cumin black seed. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant, allowing the oil to release the full flavor. Combine the roasted spices with the ginger and garlic. Add little water as needed. Heat oil on high flame. Add the chopped onion and stew until the golden color appears. Cook until they are soft and oil start to separate from the mixture. After the brown color appears and the spices are fragrant, add turmeric powder. Next, coriander powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the oil starts to release from the masala. Add all the prepared masala paste, red chili powder and a little more salt if needed. Stir it well until it is mixed well and cook for a few minutes. After it is well cooked, add the chicken pieces and mix to coat them thoroughly with the spice mixture. Mix all the ingredients and keep it for 5 to 3 minutes over medium flame. Mix all chili powder, masala paste with chicken pieces. After it, you can add masala powder and mix it well. You can add little hot water depending on desired gravy as you wish. Add salt as you want. Increase the heat. Mix the mixture properly and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes to cook well. If you want more spicy curry, you can add red chili powder in it and mix it well and properly and keep it for 15 minutes to cook completely through and tender. After all the ingredients for red chili curry are mixed together in a pan, the cooking process primarily involves simmering until everything is cooked through. Increase the heat slightly to bring the mixture to gentle simmer. Mix all the ingredients and chicken pieces, which will be well cooked. Stir the curry occasionally to ensure the ingredients are evenly distributed and nothing sticks to the bottom of pan. Mix and stir all the chicken pieces properly. Cooking time is typically between 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken pieces are no longer pink inside, are truly cooked. Reduce the heat to maintain steady and gentle simmer. Once the chicken is cooked, taste the curry. This is a crucial moment to balance the flavors. At last, red chicken curry is well cooked. Garnish with the fresh coriander leaves. Serve the hot and spicy chicken curry with steamed rice or chapati or bhakri. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and comments and share my video.